Today marks National 211 Day, recognizing the critical role 211 services play in connecting people with essential health and human resources. The Wiregrass Marine Corps League donated $211.26 today to go directly back to 211 in our area. This year is special for Wiregrass 211. They're celebrating 211 months, or 17 and a half years, of serving residents across the Wiregrass. As part of the celebration, Wiregrass 211 is also hosting Taste the Connection. Today, a fundraiser where participating local restaurants will donate a portion of their sales to support the organization. Executive Director of Wiregrass 211, Mark Cronin, spent today on calls and Zoom meetings with government officials discussing the proposed HELP Act of 2026, legislation that could provide grant funding to 211 centers nationwide.
Well, over the years, we have spoken to more than 275,000 callers, and on an average month, we take in close to 100 calls, and annually, we speak with more than 16,000 people a year. So every now and then, you have to remind your elected officials on the importance of certain programs. A lot of people relied on 211 during the pandemic. A lot of people call us during hurricanes.